Welcome to the Spirit of Handyman.
Is that what I sound like?
This is what you sound like.
Was that
I've watched
me?
every
He's
episode.
got the spirit of a handyman. A handyman.
Right. So, actually, that's what we're going to talk about today on Spirit of a Handyman. We've got a wall that is falling apart over here, and it's sort of a dumb wall because it's just doing this, right? Like just holding up a small plot of earth beside the stairs, but it's sort of falling in. As you can see, it's got here. Show the rock which moves, and this bulging thing. Yeah, that's not good. That's this debris is because stuff is falling apart. We need to repair that step before we can do any of that.
Oh, it looks fine to me.
So we're gonna dig out this and get rid of this little wall today so that we can repair the step in our next video. Let's do it. So fun anecdotal story. As we're doing this, the neighbor who lives right next door was looking out their window and saw what we were up to. Apparently wasn't too concerned until a couple shovelfuls of dirt came out of her part of the yard. Ended up calling her landlord, who called her anyhow. Somebody showed up and was like super concerned that maybe we were like tearing out their water line, and it all ended up okay, but next time, knock first.
Here we are.
Here we are.
We found some mud and a clay pipe, as you'll see, which we believe is the culprit for the wall. As you can see, it's broken here. It's a little broken.
Tree, root, pipe. Pipe broken, water, spill, water, destroy wall.
Good job, Caveman Daniel.
Solved. Pretty sure that the problem is that a previous homeowner had put in a French drain in the front yard so that the front gutter came down into that clay pipe. The clay pipe terminated into that wall space, which just dumped water into the inside of a dirt and stone wall. So in the winter, I guess, that water expanded and froze, broke up the wall, which then buckled the wall, which has created all sorts of problems. So, step one, tear down that wall. Step two, we're gonna need to find a new place to reroute the front gutter. I don't know where that's gonna go. Step three, repair the steps. And then step four is decorate the place where that little wall was. So, stay tuned. We'll keep you posted with what we end up doing. I don't really know what I'm doing. The thing is, I'm getting out there and I'm doing something, and so hopefully that inspires you to also do something. Use those handyman skills that you have. Let's do great things together. Until next time, this is Spirit of a Handyman.